2, 3, 4. Let's break this down. For the beginning, we're going to be between G and D for a while. So that's where your left hand fingers are going to stay. Your right hand is going to move around a bit more. So your left hand hits a D, and your right hand with the one. So your left hand hits a D with the one finger, and your right hand hits an F sharp, A, and C. 1, 3, and 5. 1, 3, 5. And then the next chord is a D minor 7, so you're hitting F, natural, A, and C. So, and staying with the D with the left hand. D7, D, F sharp, A, C, D minor 7, D, F, A, C. Then you're moving to a C chord, and your two finger on your left hand is going to hit a C, and your one finger on your right hand is going to hit an E and a G. So those first three chords, D7, D minor 7, and a C. Now at the end of this second measure, you're doing a little fancy pants dance where you're hitting C with your right hand. You're hitting a C with your left hand, and then you're moving your right hand 4 up to hit a D, and then 5 on an E, and then your left hand D 1 is going to hit a D, and then you're going to play that D7 again. So if we put all that little part together, you have and then another D minor 7, and then we're on a C again, but we're playing it in a different way. So we're going to have the 3 on a C and a 5 on an E, and we're going to do like a little arpeggiating toggle thing, while your left hand 2 hits a C. And then you're moving for one beat to a G with the B in the bass, so your 3 on your left hand hits a B, and then your right hand is playing a G chord, so you're playing B and D with 3 and 5, and then you're toggling down to a G with your 1. So that little part sounds like this. So if we add all of that up, we have D7, D minor 7, and then a C. And then this little fancy flourish. And then a D7 again. A D minor 7. And then a toggling C. 2, 3, and then a G with a B in the bass. Now we're moving on to an A minor. So your left hand ring finger is hitting an A, and your right hand is hitting an A, C, E. Thumb on A, 3 on C, 5 on E. And then another right hand chord, and then a left hand chord, left hand bass note. So that goes like this. Together, right, left. Then we're moving to a C chord again, so your thumb on your right hand moves down to grab a G, and so you have 1 on G, 3 on C, and 5 on E, with your 2 finger grabbing a C on the left hand. So all together, and then a right hand chord, and then a left hand bass note. So that has that same rhythm as the A minor did. Together, right, left. So if we put those 2 chords together, we have this. Now we're moving on to a D minor chord. So you're going to slide that shape that you already have with the C up 1 white key for a finger. So your thumb hits an A, your 3 finger hits a D, and your 5 hits an F. 1, 3, 5. And your left hand hits a D. And then you're going to have 2 more chords after that. And now you have this kind of swinging, skippy thing with your between the bass and the chord. So that whole measure sounds like this. So let's add all that together, starting with an A minor, a C, and then a D minor. So we're moving on to a G chord, and your left hand 5 is going to hit a G, and your right hand is going to be 1 on G, 2 on B, 4 on D, all at the same time. Another G chord, and a G bass note. So that sounds like this. And then we're going to add an F to it for a G7 for the next chord. So, and your pinky stays on a G in the left hand. So if we put those 2 things together, we have G and G7. And then we're moving on to a C chord. So your 2 on your left hand hits a C, and your right hand hits G, C, E with 1, 3, and 5. 1, 3, 5. G, C, E. So all at the same time, then a right hand chord, and then a left hand bass. So there's that rhythm again. And then we're moving to an E minor with a B in the bass. So your right hand is going to play G, and then your 2 is going to hit a B, and then your 5 is going to hit an E. And your left hand, 3 finger, is going to hit a B. And then another chord with the right hand, and then another bass with the left. There's that rhythm again. So if we put those 2 chords together, we have this. So if we move back to that G chord, we hear this. Let's put all of that together. So from the beginning, we have a D7, and then a D minor 7, and then a C, and then the little fancy pants dance. And then that was D7, and then D minor 7, and then the C toggle thing. slash B, A minor, C, D minor, skip the A that, have a G, G7, C, E minor slash B. Hope that was fun.